Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through our inexpensive gifts that look luxurious / gifts for the person who has everything. I am apparently this person for a lot of my friends, so I figured I was very qualified for this category. I have lots of different options and I'm super excited to share them with you. If you're looking for some more gift guides, I will leave my playlist up above for you. Let's go ahead and dive in. The first option that I think is great is a food option, but I wanted to share some Luxe chocolates. These look delicious and I think they look a little bit more artisanal, which is a great way to go for that luxury feel on a budget. You can also go the route of hot cocoa bombs or really nice coffee or tea. There are tons of different options for these on Amazon and they're very inexpensive. If you have someone who is very trendy and into lots of fun accessories, I highly recommend getting them this quilted tote. I think this is so beautiful, really good for the winter, and I actually think is very practical because it provides protection for the items that they have inside. There are tons of different color options and this is very inexpensive. Similarly, there is actually a quilted puffer style laptop sleeve. This is something that I have been eyeing. They have a faux leather version and a regular, more traditional puffer version. Tons of different color options, fits all sizes of laptops because you can pick the size and they're beautiful. If you have a candle lover in your life, you could go with so many different options. I wanted to highlight the Capri Blue candles because those are very popular, very high end, but surprisingly relatively inexpensive as a gift. They do also have a Capri Blue bath bomb that I think would make a fantastic gift for anyone who is very luxurious and loves a nice bath. There's also a beautiful dough bowl candle. These are so pretty. I'm actually gonna share a couple different ways that you can make these yourself. I love making candles, so I will share some options in my DIY gifts video, but this is a great option if you're not as crafty or you're just running a little bit low on time. These are stunning. You can also go the route for candles in more of the tapered format. There are so many beautiful options that I think would make fantastic gifts. You can pair them with some unique candle holders and I think they're beautiful. I think it would be really great to pair any candle that you get with a nice wick trimmer set and an electric lighter. I think these are great, very practical gifts and super aesthetically pleasing. You can also pair a candle with a candle warmer. This is a great alternative to a lighter and it actually burns your candle a lot more safely because you don't have to worry about an open flame. There are so many beautiful options, all of which are very aesthetically pleasing. If you don't want to go the candle route, you could go the tabletop fireplace route. I think these are great gifts for families, and it's not something that people will usually buy for themselves, but I actually think they would really love it. It's great for making s'mores at home or just creating a little bit of ambiance in any space. They're great for people with small spaces, especially small backyards. I think these are stunning. There are tons of different options. I have a little concrete one. They have glass options. They have ones with colored glass. So many to choose from and so many beautiful options. You can also go the route of getting an essential oil diffuser instead of a candle. You can go traditional and get a regular shape, but there are lots of different options that are very aesthetically pleasing and very unique. I love this idea for a gift, and you can pair it with some of your favorite essential oils, and I think it makes a very well-rounded gift. Similarly to an essential oil diffuser is this essential oil pen. I think this is incredibly unique. It's under $7 and it comes with so many different essential oil scents. It's very beautiful, made from recycled materials, and comes in a package that is perfect for gifting. If you want something that's a little bit more on the self-care side, I highly recommend getting a unique massager. I have a shoulder massager, I have a little back massager, I have the massage gun, I have it all and I love them. These are great gifts for anybody in your life. If you think they already have one, I would recommend going more of the heat route. I have a heated back pad that has been a huge hit for everyone that has ever come to my house. I've given it to, I think, 3 or 4 people as a gift and they love them. You can also get things that are microwavable instead of electric. These microwavable booties I think are fantastic gifts for anybody who could use a little bit more relaxation. You can also get a heated eye mask. I have a microwavable one, but I am dying for the electric one. This is great for anybody that has headaches and just needs some relaxation. You can also get them a Zen kit. I really love the Buddha boards where you can paint with water, but you can also go the more traditional route with a sand garden. I think these are really beautiful gifts that are very aesthetically pleasing. You can get a ton of different unique serving boards. There's this hamburger one that I think is really fun. Comes with a space for the burger and then the fries as well. But you can get a beautiful tray as a fun option as well. I think these are so artful, very beautiful, and surprisingly inexpensive. The last gift that I wanted to share in this category that is definitely a little bit more on the expensive side, but you can find some really reasonable priced options, is a towel warmer. This is just the epitome of luxury to me. I want one so badly and I think they're beautiful, but I think this is a fantastic gift for the person in your life who has everything and is a little bit luxurious. If you have a great gift idea for this category, let me know in the comments down below. I'm super curious. And if you're looking for some more options, my gift guide playlist will be up in the cards above. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!